Hello, welcome to day 2, Wednesday, October 14th. We are in module 4 of unit 2. All right, let's see what we have for today. Remember, it is Wednesday, so it is an async day. That means we will not meet together on Zoom as a class, but we do have activities to do. You will watch this video and then you will click async. We have 2 activities today for async. The first activity is in your textbook, pages 24 and 25. You will complete the pages, take a picture, and upload the picture in the Schoology comment in the discussion box, and then click post. Make sure your picture is clear and bright so I can read everything. All right. And the second activity is a Google assignment. So we have done these. You are going to correct 14 run-on sentences. This is a Google Doc. You will click My Document, and you will see your document open. So what you will do, you will find all the problems and fix them. You can fix them with punctuation. You can put in a conjunction, or you can make them into 2 separate sentences. Whatever you choose to do, you can change the color, you can change the font color, or you can highlight it, whatever change you make, in a bright color. Okay, so that is what you will do, and you will click submit when you are finished. And that's it for your async activity. So there are 2 very important activities. Student Services is holding a credential evaluation. So if you have any of your documents, your educational documents from your home country, they will walk you through the process on how to get them evaluated into the US system. Okay, so you can get a better job, apply for scholarships, and go to college. That will be tomorrow evening at Wednesday evening, not tomorrow, Wednesday evening at 7 p.m. And here are the codes. So you have the code. It's the same for the morning and the evening. So there will be a session at 10 and there will be a session at 7 tonight. Or you can click the link. All right. If you are not going to the credential evaluation workshop, I will have office hours between 7 and 8 p.m. Please take advantage of this time. You have 3 options, maybe more. We can practice speaking, we can review homework assignments or review a lesson, or you can ask questions and get clarification or even extra explanation. Okay, I will be available for between 7 and 8 using our same Zoom code, which is here below for you. All right, if you have any questions, you know how to find me. Good luck.